Open house weekend, and we are at 106 Wilton Road here in Chestertown, Maryland, Queen Anne's County, in the beautiful community of Chester Harbor. You are getting your quick open house tour of this gorgeous main level living rancher that is just under 1,100 square feet. So cute as can be and low maintenance living. The owner took tremendous pride in updating and maintaining this home. As you can see behind me here, a primary example of a gorgeous renovated kitchen with newer appliances. This rancher offers a side entry here off the driveway, as well as your washer and dryer are located in this closet, as well as additional pantry space. You've got LVP here in the kitchen, as well as here's your dining area with a gorgeous slider with built-in blinds that leads to a 3-acre lot backyard, which is fully fenced in. Plus, there is an additional storage shed that is oversized with the roll-up door for your lawn maintenance, or it'd be great for storage or holiday Tupperware bins. This is a traditional rancher built in the early 70s, but updated. We've got new roof, updated HVAC with central air. You have 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom here in the hallway, as well as the windows have been replaced. We've got gutter guards on the gutter systems, and you've got lots of mature trees which provide great shade to help keep the home cool, as well as still bring in loads of natural light. The 3 bedrooms, if I didn't mention, all have hardwood floors, and the home has been freshly painted. Don't hesitate on 106 Wilton Road, because we are also listed at under $300,000, which is a great deal here in Queen Anne's County, Maryland.